In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get PowerPoint into presentation mode in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're presenting at a meeting, a conference, or just practicing your presentation skills, mastering the presentation mode in Microsoft PowerPoint is a crucial skill. It not only makes your presentation look more professional, but it also gives you tools and features that can help you deliver your content more effectively. Let's get started with the essentials. The first thing you want to do is open your Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're familiar with the interface, this should be straightforward. You can find the PowerPoint icon on your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Clicking on it will launch the application and you'll be greeted with the opening screen. Once PowerPoint is open, the next step is to locate and open your file. From the opening screen, you should see a list of recent documents. If your file is there, simply click on it to open. If it's not, don't worry. You can easily click on Open to navigate through your computer's folders and find the PowerPoint presentation you're looking to present. This step is essential as it prepares you with the right content for your audience before you dive into the presentation mode. After you have your file open, it's time to navigate to the Slideshow tab. This tab is specifically designed for all things presentation. Located at the top of your PowerPoint window, the Slideshow tab offers a variety of options that control how your presentation is displayed to the audience. Familiarizing yourself with this tab is beneficial for any presenter. Upon reaching the Slideshow tab, you'll see an option labeled Use Presenter View. Clicking this checkbox enables a powerful feature of PowerPoint designed to make presentations smoother and more interactive for the speaker. Presenter View gives you a private view on your monitor where you can see your current slide, your speaker notes, and a preview of the next slide. This dual screen setup ensures that while your audience sees only the slide, you get a comprehensive view that assists in delivering your presentation. Next, you'll need to choose which monitor you'd like to display the presenter view on. When connected to a projector or an external monitor, your computer sees the projector or external screen as a second monitor. In the presenter view settings, you can specify which one of these monitors will display your presentation slides to the audience, and which will display the presenter view to you. This selection helps in managing what your audience gets to see and what you can keep to yourself for an effective presentation. Finally, to launch your presentation into full screen from the beginning, you can choose from Beginning from the Slideshow tab. Alternatively, for those who appreciate keyboard shortcuts for speed, pressing F5 on your keyboard achieves the same result. This action cues your presentation to start, showcasing the first slide of your PowerPoint in full screen glory on the selected monitor, while the presenter view activates on the other. Remember, becoming proficient in switching to and using the presentation mode in PowerPoint can significantly enhance your presenting experience. It allows you to manage your content seamlessly, engage with your slides interactively, and delivers a polished and professional look for your audience. The presenter view in particular is a handy feature that can keep you on track with speaker notes and upcoming slides, all while maintaining eye contact and engaging with your audience. Throughout this video, I've walked you through the steps necessary to get your PowerPoint presentation up and running in presentation mode. From opening your PowerPoint application and selecting your file to enabling presenter view and choosing the correct monitor for your presentation, each step is designed to prepare you for a successful presentation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take the time to familiarize yourself with these settings and options before your big presentation day. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to get PowerPoint into presentation mode. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone in between looking to improve your presentation skills, I hope these instructions have been clear and helpful. Happy presenting!